How to use Zelle with Discover credit card. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Zelle with a Discover credit card. Setting up Zelle on the Discover app is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. If you are a Discover cardholder, follow the instructions below to get started. First, open the Discover app on your smartphone and log in to your account. Now navigate to the Payments or Send Money section of the app. Next, look for the option to set up Zelle and select it. You may be prompted to verify your phone number or email address associated with your Discover account. This step is necessary to ensure the security of your Zelle transactions. Once your information is verified, you can proceed to link your bank account to Zelle. Then select the bank account you want to link and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After successfully linking your bank account, you will be ready to send and receive money through Zelle using the Discover app. If you don't see the option to set up Zelle in your app, contact Discover customer support for assistance.